Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Work is the area under a force position graph. We must find which scenario shows the greatest work done from 0 to 3. The work done by a horizontal force is calculated by finding the area between the curve and the horizontal axis. We must evaluate this area for each of the 4 graphs. Looking at the shapes, we see that graph A covers the most space above the axis. Calculating the definite integral or simple geometric area confirms that this specific plot is largest. Graph A has the largest area under the curve, representing the greatest work. Therefore, option A is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for best results.